Thank you, Anna, for inviting me to say something to your entrepreneurial workshop. My name is Fred Mednick. I'm Professor Emeritus at the University of Brussels and the founder of Teachers Without Borders. Since 2000, our approach to entrepreneurship has been entirely unorthodox. Everything is free, courses, curricula, workshops. And so I've been told that we're, hopelessly naive. What kind of business is that? Where's your revenue stream? If things are free, people tell me, they whine, nothing will be taken seriously. In fact, the more you charge, the more people, will think it's valuable. We rely on reciprocity and generosity baked into the teaching profession itself. Teachers Without Borders has also been told that we're unrealistic. The teachers are too tyrannized by the urgent to focus on anything outside their classrooms. They have too much on their plates. First, the faces that teachers see in their classrooms every day reflect the world. Climate change, hate, public health, they're all global subjects. Teaching is a global enterprise. So second is for being tyrannized by the urgent. I would say that nothing gets a teacher going like injustice. The teachers I know care about the urgency of tyranny. In small places everywhere, teachers are peacemakers wielding weapons of mass instruction instead of destruction. So everybody, just thank you for the couple of minutes to share with you. And I hope you enjoy my book, In the Small Places, Stories of Teacher Changemakers and the Power of Human Agency. And when you think about entrepreneurialism, ask yourself, what would a teacher do? Thank you very much.